Hi everyone. In this video, we will show you how to transfer WhatsApp chats without backup. First of all, open the WhatsApp application. Now go into the settings option in the bottom right. Click on Chats. Scroll down and click on Transfer Chats to iPhone. Now click on Start. Scan the QR code with the other iPhone. First, download WhatsApp on the new phone. Register with the same number and scan the code. Once you scan the QR code with your new phone, all the chats will be transferred to your new phone. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.